This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. And I'm also learning that even at board level pala, no, sometimes they can really get to either micromanage or ask for more details, or instead of empowering or just delegating or letting the SLT or the XCOM run the show.
Yes, there are some boards that are like that. So it's something you either learn to live with, or if you don't, then you at some point in time you'll say,
okay,
ayoko na.
Okay.
But there are, so in the same manner that people are different, right? Boards are also the same thing. They also have their own personality.
Okay. I can also imagine that the CEO, how tough the position is, because you're in between the board and the entire organization. Oh, yeah. Even shielding the manicom, no, from the board.
Yep. Yes. That's why you have to understand what the board likes. In the same manner that you have to understand as a manager what are the important things that need to be accomplished. You also need to understand what your board values the most. So sometimes it's not, for example, like COVID, right? Even if you have plans this year about your goals, etc., that's all trashed right now, right? So you have to understand what the board expects of you.
Yes.
Wants from you. So magre-rehash yun eh. So the moment you understand that, then madali na yung bumaba. The moment they are unclear, because there are boards that are unclear.
Okay.
Also.
And
then it's difficult.
There's so many personalities in the board as well, and they may also have different priorities.
Yes. In general, no, the harder boards to deal with are boards of family corporations.
Okay.
Because you have siblings or relatives that are part of the board that sometimes do not know or understand the business. Minsan, you spend more time trying to explain things rather than getting decisions made. Kasi sa board, what's important for any CEO is you need the board to give you a stamp of approval to be able to go ahead with certain major things, right?
Yes.
So rather than trying to explain how things work downstairs, right? So yun yung mahirap eh. The moment your decisions get delayed, of course, the achievement of your goals also will get delayed. So yun yung mahirap na balance when you're at that senior level.
One complication of the CEO role is you don't need to just manage downwards or sidewards with your peers. No. Also managing upwards.
Yes, you have to manage upwards, definitely. Okay. Definitely.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.